everyone, welcome back to Torque Update. Today, we're taking a smooth and easy ride through everything you need to know about the new 2027 BMW X7. This beast is back, and BMW isn't holding anything back. It's bigger, smarter, and bolder than ever. Whether you're already a fan of the X7 or you're just SUV curious, you're going to want to stick around for this full breakdown. Let's start with what grabs your attention right away: the exterior. The 2027 BMW X7 takes luxury SUV design to new heights. Up front, we're looking at a fresh take on the iconic kidney grills. They're illuminated and more seamlessly integrated into the overall design. Flanking them are split headlight clusters, with sleek LED daytime running lights sitting above the main beam units, giving it a futuristic and confident stare. From the side, this SUV keeps its muscular yet elegant profile, with crisp body lines, chrome accents, and large 21 to 23-inch wheels, depending on your trim. Around the back, the taillights have been redesigned to be slimmer and more dynamic, with a light bar stretching across the tailgate. You also get flush-fitting exhaust tips and a more sculpted bumper that makes this family-sized SUV feel like it's always ready for the red carpet or the Autobahn. Step inside, and it's a whole other level of luxury. The 2027 BMW X7's interior is pure executive class. The cabin is now dominated by BMW's curved display, which combines a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch central infotainment screen running on the latest iDrive 9 system. The materials? Top shelf. Think merino leather, open pore wood, and available glass controls for that ultra-premium touch. The new X7 can comfortably seat 6 or 7 passengers, with captain's chairs optional in the second row. Heated, ventilated, and massaging seats are available for all rows, and let's not forget the panoramic LED roof, which now features customizable light patterns for that ambient VIP vibe. The sound system? Absolutely top tier, with an available Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround system pushing rich, immersive audio into every corner of the cabin. Throw in multi-zone climate control, wireless charging, rear seat entertainment, and BMW's newest gesture controls, and you got a tech pack sanctuary on wheels. Under the hood, the 2027 X7 is bringing back its most popular powertrains, but with improvements. The base model will still feature a 3.0-liter inline-six with 48V mild hybrid support, delivering a smooth 375 horsepower. The X7 M60i takes it up a notch with a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, also supported by mild hybrid tech, pushing out an impressive 523 horsepower. Acceleration? The M60i rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4.5 seconds, which is wild for a full-size SUV. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system and air suspension with adaptive damping keep things buttery smooth, even on rough roads. There are whispers of a plug-in hybrid version coming too. Aim at those wanting more efficiency, without giving up performance. BMW plans to release the 2027 X7 in late 2026, with models hitting showrooms globally by early 2027. Pricing is expected to start around $84,000 for the base xDrive 40i, and climb up to $113,000 for the M60i version, depending on trim and options. With all the extras, a fully loaded X7 could easily push past $125,000, and honestly, it might just be worth every penny. And that's a wrap on the 2027 BMW X7, a luxury SUV that doesn't just show up, it shows off. If you're into big space, bigger tech, and performance that'll make your jaw drop, this one's definitely worth a test drive when it lands. If you enjoyed this breakdown, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the Torque Update channel, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an update on the hottest cars dropping every week. Thanks for riding with us. See you in the next video.